Park Jin-young revealed how Rain's success and a bond formed between them led him to quit smoking. Rain's determination while under JYP Entertainment inspired Jin-young to support him, especially after Rain's mother passed away. Park even made a bargain to quit smoking in order for Rain to succeed. Despite Rain joking that Jin-young might have started smoking after releasing his song, Gang, he stayed true to his promise and hasn't smoked since. Park believed Rain's career would suffer if he smoked again, showing his dedication even after Rain left JYP Entertainment.